Hi there! Today we're making a delicious and comforting cream of carrot soup. It's simple, hearty, and perfect for a cozy meal. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 medium onion, chopped, 2 cups of sliced carrots, 3 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, half a teaspoon of salt, adjust to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 cup of milk, or half and half for extra creaminess, and fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Start by melting a tablespoon of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add in 1 chopped onion. Sauté the onion for about 5 minutes or until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, add in your sliced carrots. Stir them together with the onion and cook for about 5 minutes. Now, pour in 3 cups of broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth, depending on your preference. Bring it to a simmer. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Stir everything together. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the carrots are tender and cooked through. Once the carrots are soft, it's time to blend the soup. You can either use an immersion blender right in the pot, or transfer everything to a regular blender in batches. Blend the soup until it's silky smooth and creamy. Now add in 1 cup of milk or half and half for extra creaminess. Stir it in until well combined. Serve your soup hot, and garnish with a little fresh parsley if you like. And that's it, a bowl of creamy, flavorful carrot soup. Enjoy this warm, comforting soup on a chilly day. It's the perfect dish to make ahead too, as it keeps well in the fridge for a few days. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!